welcome back to my kitchen. Fish today. I have a Dover sole that I bought, and I'm going to put some spices that I made. Okay, so all I do is sprinkle it all over, and I also want to make some side vegetable which I already cut up. I have some cherry tomato, I have some cauliflower, asparagus, and garlic, and a little bit of parsley, and I also have some chicken broth. Okay, so I'm going to make fish first. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, and then we're going to fry this beautiful fish. So I sprinkle my spices in the fish, and make sure your stove is on medium heat. Don't want to be really hot. Okay, and now we're going to fry them. Okay, so here we go. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my toaster oven to keep it warm while I'll do my side vegetable. So first, we're going to make the fish. So one of my fillet is a little bit thicker, and I usually cook these 5 minutes each side, and if it's thin, I'll do like about 4 minutes each side. But since this one is a little bit thicker, maybe it's longer. Alright, so let's transfer this in a different plate, and let's make our vegetable. So let's make our vegetable. I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna put that in the pan. That's it. Okay. Alright, and then I'm gonna throw my garlic in there, and just to get the fragrance, so it won't take long. Okay, so okay. There we go. You can smell that garlic. Alright, now I'm going to put my cauliflower. Let that saute for a couple minutes. It's been a couple minutes. I'm going to throw my cherry tomato in here. Okay. And a little bit of chicken broth just to soften the vegetable. Okay, so I had about half a cup of that, and now we're going to simmer it a little, so about 2 more minutes for that one. I use a lot of cauliflower in my side dish because that's replacement of rice. Instead of eating rice, we eat cauliflower. That's just for me and my husband don't eat rice, but my kids eat a lot of rice, so we're going low carbs. And my kids though can't live without rice. So here we go. I don't want to overcook it, and tomato is now breaking down. The asparagus only take about a minute to cook, so that's why we put them last. And I'm gonna taste if this is got softened. Okay. Now we're going to throw the asparagus. All right. And we're going to put some pepper, and then now we're gonna put just a pinch of salt. Here we go. Now we're gonna stir that up. Okay, so we'll let that simmer for 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna throw a little bit of parsley in there. There you go. Here's the veggie that's gonna go with our fish. So you guys can do it at home. Very easy and really delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye!